Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
Today, I'm going to show you the best combination of setting that I've proved to be the best when it comes to make the voiceover sound much more professional in Filmora 13, 14, 15, and 16. For a little preview,
can you hear the difference?
and we do not want
This quality of audio. So let's work things out.
right here, I have the audio already prepared, so I'm just going to go ahead and drag it down into the timeline. On the right side of your preview screen, if you scroll down a little bit here, you're going to see this option right here, which is the equalizer. And I know a lot of you are familiar with this option. So right here, if you select this option right here, you see there are a lot of presets right here. And each of the presets have its own different setting. So I use this preset right here, which is the soft preset. And then from this, I just have to build up and then perfect it. Alright, so according to my own tunings and adjustments right here, I brought up something like this one right here. I race up the bass, cut some of the mid ones right here, but of course, my dear friend, I may not be able to repeat exactly what I did. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to go on the apply right here. So the main thing right here is there's no way you can save this custom preset for another project. But what about the next project? What about the projects in another PC? That's the catch on this whole video. So let's go about it. The very first thing that you have to do, you have to select a little piece of this audio with a new equalizer preset applied onto it. And then after that, you just have to right select it and then use this option right here, which is called the compound clip. Alright, Outer plus G is your short keys. Right, so I'm going to write an EQ preset. Alright, EQ preset, there we go. This is my equalizer preset. Now, my dear friend, I want to make sure that I have the same custom setting on equalizer in each and every project that I ever use. So this is how you're going to do it. Select your audio right here in the timeline, and then you are going to see this option right here, which is called Save as a Compound Clip Custom. This is the compound clip that I'm talking about right now. If you notice very carefully, by the way, right now you can find this in another project, for as long as you are using the same PC. So if you notice right here, there's a circle that is running here. This is a process whereby a compound clip is syncing to the cloud. Now, if you don't see it showing up right here, you just have to select this option right here that allows you to sync your compound clip to the cloud. If you found some value, be sure to subscribe to help the growth of this channel. And until I meet you in the next episode, peace.